Hi guys, here we are at Hykeham Station level crossing, Lincolnshire, with Joe and Andrew. There we go, the time is 8:48 on Wednesday the 24th of December 2014, this is for we're at 8:59, 6:42 X-ray from Lindsay to Kingsbury. Expect past 8:51. Yeah, Andrew's here.
Digging that loadie to us. Beans have opened the road again, she's a lot loader.
Yeah. Here she is.
Might be echoing through my phone still. We've got a tug coming, Joe.
I'm going to turn it off now because you're gone.
Yeah.
You're near. Now the internet should return. Slow one.
Yeah, it's because that signal's probably just turned green. If we get a music copyright at the start, I don't really care. It's not raw material.
60.74.
Tug 74!
We had that this morning, that's it.
Warning! The train is approaching, turn off the left.
Yes!
Warning! The train is approaching! Warning! Another train is approaching! Warning!
And it comes here at 60.74 to Kingsbury. There's another train approaching. 153,381.
It's approaching. That's what I say good morning to.
153,381 to Newark.
Warning, another train is approaching. Warning, a trespassing fine is yours.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.